Hello, Algebra 2 virtual learners. I wanted to give you kind of a tour of some things that I've added to our Moodle page so that you know what you need to be doing every day. First of all, the district has asked all of us to put this remote learners icon on the top of our Moodle page. That's going to take you to an instruction page. This should be the same for any of your classes that are using Edgenuity. I would definitely read through this and make sure that you understand what you are supposed to be doing every day. You need to log in to Moodle and Edgenuity during the time that your class period normally is meeting on campus. And then follow these directions right here on what to do on that first day. You can access Edgenuity from your portal, and you need to go ahead and get started. The content teacher, that is me. And so this is what my job will be during this virtual learning time. You can reach out to me by email if you have questions on the content, and I will try to provide feedback to you 1 to 2 times a week. I'll also be recording your daily attendance, and that's based on what you are completing in Edgenuity each day. So if you don't complete something in Edgenuity that day, then you could get marked absent. So make sure you're communicating with your teachers. You will also have access to a support teacher, so you should be getting emails about who that support teacher is. I would say probably Monday. And that support teacher will provide tech support for Edgenuity, will open up tests or quizzes when you are ready to have them open. And so basically anything regarding Edgenuity, that's who you would reach out to. Content-wise, math, Algebra 2, that kind of stuff, or your absences, please reach out to me regarding that. Okay, so this is available. It should be available on everybody's Moodle page up at the very top. The other thing I want to point out to you is that, you guys have been accessing my Weeks at a Glance for a while now, but that's going to be mainly for the in-person students. You're still going to have access to my videos. You're still going to have access to assignments that we do. All of that you will still have access to as a resource that you can always look at if you're struggling in Edgenuity. But this is really what you guys are going to be looking at. This 2021 Virtual Learners toggle, it's only available to you guys. You'll be the only ones who can see it. And if you look at this week of 9/14, that's this next week, this is your Weeks at a Glance. So this is what you need to be completing every day in Edgenuity so that you stay up with what we are doing in person. All right, so that is about it. Please don't hesitate to reach out, guys. I'm still here for you, and this is, kind of a learning curve for all of us. So don't be afraid if you have lots of questions, but use these resources that I just showed you today before you reach out to me. Check here first to see if your question is answered here. All right, I'm looking forward to meeting y'all someday, and so just let me know what you need.